Nobody sees, nobody knows. We are a secret, can't be exposed. That's how it is, that's how it goes. Far from the others, close to each other. In the daylight, when the sun is shining. On the late night, when the moon is blinded. In the plain sight.
We are so excited that you're able to meet your teams face to face now and be able to work with them. We'll talk a little bit more about that tomorrow, sort of how the week may go. And I've heard from some of you already asking questions about or concerns or how firm do the deliverables have to be on Saturday and those sorts of things. So take some deep breaths. We'll talk about that tomorrow. And yeah, as long as everything is completely finished by Saturday afternoon, you should be fine.
That's when we uncover. That's when we uncover. That's when we uncover. My silence is in your arms. When the world gives heavy burdens, I can bear 1,000 tons. On your shoulder, I can reach an endless sky. Feels like paradise. Put two and two together forever, will never change. Two and two together will never change. Nobody sees, nobody knows. We are a secret, can't be exposed. That's how it is, that's how it goes. Far from the others, close to each other. That's when we uncover, cover. That's when we uncover, cover. We could build a universe right here. All the world could disappear. Wouldn't notice, wouldn't care. We could build a universe right here. The world could disappear. I just need to live. That's when we uncover. That's when we uncover.
That sensation we have all been here before with a little patience. We just might be here again. So where you gonna be when the world begins, when the world begins? Sit right next to me when the world begins, when the world begins. Tugging tugging at my heart. That sensation.
Hello, I'm Marco. I'm the lead production manager for the Mall BA facility. I'm here in Surabaya in Indonesia, and we had this trip around and into Surabaya, and we made it. And I'm very excited, and that's what we saw there. Saw the people, saw the mentality, people sitting around together, having lunch together. So it was pretty good to see all this. The mentality is great here.
It was wonderful getting out and being able to see some of the beautiful city of Surabaya, seeing some of the sights, some of the history in the town as well. Thank you all very much for allowing us to get out and help and show us some of the beautiful area that is Surabaya.
Hi, my name is Michelle Langley. Enjoyable for our 42 employees that went on the tour. And then we had a beautiful lunch, a delicious lunch at the cafe with music. And then we went on a city tour and went shopping for souvenirs. So it was a great day. It was hot. We had a lot of fun, and we hope to come back to Surabaya soon.
Hi, my name is Stephanie Khalil. We got to do a lot of really great things and see the community and really immerse ourselves, so it was a really great time. And we also all got to go get some little trinkets so we can take a piece of Indonesia home with us and remember this fantastic experience that the Leadership in Action group has given us. So we're really excited to be here. We're excited to get to meet our NGOs, and it was great to get integrated into the culture today prior to going to our groups.